Hi and welcome to today's video, that is what to reply for thank you. Today's lesson is very interesting as it's a very common kind of observation that when someone thank you, you tend to reply just with a welcome, you're welcome. My question is, what else will you say? What else will you say to make that person feel special, to make that person feel valued, and to add value to your conversation and make it warm? Let us learn and go ahead and learn from today's lesson what do we have in store today. And at the end of the lesson, I'm going to thank one of the YouTuber information seekers. Let us see, and then what tasks do we have for you? Let us proceed. Today we are learning 10 different ways to reply to thank you. The very first one, of course, we have discussed, you're most welcome. Your welcome is an ordinary expression. You can add the word most to it to add value to it. Make the person feel special, make the person feel valued. So add the word most and then you can say you are most welcome. You're most welcome. You're most welcome. Then let's proceed to the next one. We have no problem. No problem is another way to respond, and it's rather informal. You can say no problem, I'm glad that I was of help to you. No problem, I'm glad that I was of help to you. The next expression, no worries, I'm obliged. No worries is a reply. You can add something to it to add value. No worries, I'm obliged. No worries, I'm obliged. The next expression, don't mention it. Now this is an Asian version of what was the old English mention not. In early 70s we have learned mention not, but today it is not expressed anymore. Rather, the translated version of that is an easy English, don't mention it. And the next expression that we have is my pleasure. The pleasure is all mine. The pleasure is all mine. It's my pleasure. The pleasure is all mine. That is another way to express. If someone says thank you, you can say anytime. Anytime, feel free to ask for help or support. Anytime. The next expression is, it was the least I could do. I'll be obliged if I could do more. This is quite an expression. All you can say is, it was the least I could do. The next one is, glad to help you. I'm glad to help you. I'm pleased to help you. Glad to help you. I'm pleased to help you. Next, this is a formal expression. Again, it's Old English. You can just say sure. For example, if a person says thank you for your support, Mary, Mary can say sure anytime. The next expression that we have is thank you. This is in Old English. It is a very majestic and formal reply. If someone says thank you, you can reply back with thank you. It is the same as how do you do, how do you do. Example that we have is, Elizabeth says, thank you for your cordial message. Annalisa says, thank you for your acknowledgement. Now we have the task. The task is that in this video we are thanking a YouTuber, Knowledge Seekers, a very good student who is learning and responding in the messages. You can go to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel, then a link will be posted under my video. Click on that link. You're requested to watch that video. It is based on famous quotes of people. Watch that video and then you thank the uploader for creating that video. And if you are thanked back, then use one of the expressions in a complete sentence and thank the uploader. And an additional challenges for those students who are my school students, you may find the names, spot at least 2 personalities in that video and learn the codes for your next task. Happy practicing these expressions and happy working on this task. Kindly go and subscribe to this YouTube uploader Knowledge Seekers. Thank you. And yes, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get the notification of the next video that I upload. And if you liked my video, click on like and share it with family and friends. Thank you.